I think I might call it quits. If you like what I'm doing, if you're new to the show, hit the subscribe button, smash my head. For everyone else out there, thanks very much for supporting. Oh, I got one. Let's do it. Woo! Well, welcome back, viewers. Another action-packed day of Don's Fishing Adventures. Now, they forecasted today to be really calm, which I really didn't want that to happen. I like a bit of wind, and I got a bit of wind, which is good. I'm on the drift. I want my usual spot. I'm going for calamari. I might be doing a catch and cook on the boat. Stay tuned. I'm just going over a really dark spot. I'm not going to waste the time. Let's get into it. I'm excited. As I said, it is a bit windy. I'm in about 5 or 6 metres of water. The wind is starting to pick up, so I will be using my tip run jigs. They actually do really well in windy conditions because they get down the bottom. This is a 30 gram one. That should be heaps. Put on the snap. I like to use 2 or 3 rods, usually 2 is enough, otherwise it gets too messy. And that sucks. My sea anchor came undone, so I'm really on the drift. I'm spewing. Awesome. It seems to be pretty good. Seems to be a pretty good weight. Yeah, this is a good one. Yep. I don't think he knows he's hooked. I'm here trying to, there he is, coming up to the surface now. There he is. Should be able to see him. Yeah, what is he? I don't think he knows he's hooked. Yeah, he's definitely hooked. Alright. Okay, now right on the back of the head, lovely. First one for the day. That's it. Got him right on the crown. That's lovely. Happy days. Awesome. Tip run jigs. Windy day. Love it. Right. Awesome. Now I was really working this jig really violently, and it went bang bang, and I reckon if I work this one really hard, they'll get hooked up pretty soon too. I'm all over the place today. It's just bad conditions. The sun's right in my eyes. What have we got here? Oh, it's just a pup, but no, I'll take this one. Lovely. Awesome. There you go. Woo. How about that? How about that for a hookup? Come on, little one. I just want to test me jigs. I think one came up close to it too. Yeah, there's one right under the float. Let's see if I can get him. He's not that big today, but I'm still pretty happy. There's one that followed it. He might get a bit too shy when he's coming close to the boat. No, he's not that shy because he took it. Lovely. Lovely. Oh, we're always just on too. Tiny one. Lovely. Now this is like bait size, but they're also good eating. They are scarce today, so I'm going to keep them. moved in close and I just dropped my jig down here. Trying to get myself organised. I got a good one here. Yeah, it's coming up towards it. See, yeah, it's a good one. It's just on the leg. Beautiful squid. Gonna get him on board before I lose him. There you go. That's a beautiful one. Absolutely pearler. Beautiful one. Whoa. Yeah, I love it. I just love calamari fishing. You've heard me say that before. I just love it. It's great fun. Ugh, a good tucker. He's really stretched out to his max here. Awesome. All right, mate. Ooh. Okay. And I just realised over there, I did see over there, I can see my sea anchor. So that's great. If I can recover that, I think I might do that first before I throw it overboard. Awesome. There you go. Got my anchor back. Terrific. Lovely. Thought this was lost forever. Oh, yes. Yeah, so it's gone really quiet. It's calm. But I reckon I'll still get some. Alright, this will do. Yeah. So I have trimmed down a bit. It's getting warm, very still. Casting was doing no good. What I did, I dropped my double tip run jig right under the boat and just kept on yanking. And it come up, good seal. There you go. There you go, lovely. Okay, now it's time to do the catch and cook. Now I've already taken off the head of the calamari, and what I'm going to do, I'm not going to get too fancy because I'm out in the boat. So I'm just going to open up the flaps here. Right, take off the skin. I mean, you don't have to take off the skin, but it does, I don't know, probably doesn't sparkle as much as you're cooking it. So nice and simple, give it a nice, there we go, take off the membrane. And mind you, I've still got my squid jigs out in the water, so if I'm really disrupted by calamari, I'm definitely going to stop cooking and do that. Alright, that's nice and clean. Got my wings. On. Olive oil. Let it warm up a bit. It's not too much wind, so it's pretty good. Now I am cooking up a salt and pepper squid with garlic salt as well. Can't wait. Oh, this dish is called salt and pepper calamari with EMU. New special recipe out in the ocean. Survival plans. Right, so that's coming up nice and warm. I'm gonna chuck everything all in straight away. There we go. Salt. Pepper. Now, how do you take this off? Oh. Yummy, plenty of pepper. Bit of garlic powder. Whoops, that's way too much. Check that out, though. You don't have to cook it for too long. Down around a bit. Now I see some other YouTubers and they go, oh, survival with a $10 knife or a survival with you know, one hook. Well, I'm surviving out here. I'm a survivor and I'm flourishing. And all I did it was with one little finger. This is coming up pretty good here. Look at that. I mean, look at that. Right, calamari, ocean. That's the life. So they're definitely done. And a special ingredient, as I was saying about the EMU, that's a special ingredient. Anyway, I'm going to hone in. Wow, baby, wow. You can't get more fresher than this. Cooked to perfection, nice and delicate. Right on the ocean. I mean, you pay top buck for this. Living simple is the way to go. I think I might call it quits. If you like what I'm doing, if you're new to the show, hit the subscribe button, smash my head. For everyone else out there, thanks very much for supporting. Oh, I got one. Oh. Oh. Thanks very much for supporting. It's a massive one. Woo! I think those squid wings give me the energy to keep going. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come up to the surface. There we go. Just on the crown. Woo! Lovely. Lovely. You couldn't have waited for better timing than that. Woo! Right. Check this out. This out. This guy here, he just let go luckily. He held on to it and wasn't even hooked on the barbs. That's how much he loves these tip run jigs. Thanks, mate. Oh, that's a nice one. Actually, not a bad little fight for these little things. Beautiful. G'day, mate. Yeah, thanks, mate. How are you?
We thought we might see you out here.
Yeah, no, it's you've been doing all right or what?
Got a couple of squid.
Oh, yep. Yeah.
And a couple of fish. We're doing all right. How about you?
Yeah, I caught a couple of calamari. You know, it's a bit tough this morning. It was really, really windy. You know, so I've been moving around. But yeah, I got half a dozen. Cooked them up on the boat.
Oh, fantastic.
That's
Unreal.
a couple of beers. What else do you want?
Exactly. Oh, fantastic. Well, keep up the good work. We enjoy watching your show.
Good stuff, mate. Take it easy, huh? Stay safe.
We will.
Right on, see you. Now I've got the camera going. You want to say goodbye? Yeah. There we go. See you. Catch heaps.
See you, mate.
Good on you, mate. There you go, folks. Good people. Down in the water. I saw them coming around, coming to say hello. Mate, terrific. If you live in Perth, you just fish it around and you see a big bloke on the dinghy. You know, come around and say hello.